Hi friends, I will show how to lock your Facebook profile if there is no lock profile option. Let's start and follow my step properly. First, open your Facebook app. Now click on profile icon. Then click setting and privacy. Click settings. Scroll down and follow my step. Now click followers and public content and follow my step. Now back to your Facebook profile. Then click three dot. Click turn off professional mode. Then click lock profile. Now click on lock your profile. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.